it up.
Beautiful.
The television, my friend. If you smash the television, I smash your head.
I don't understand in a walk there, right?
Jamais.
And then...
What was
Come on,
that?
calm down now. Have a rest now. Let Allegra do a bit of dancing. That's it. Whoa.
Oh, twinkle toes.
Is that it, Allegra?
Why can't we just left together?
Come on then.
You coming? Move up.
Aww. You're beautiful girls, aren't you?
I don't know what kind of kick was that, but I don't care.
Aww. Two little ballerinas. Oh, they're so cute, aren't they?
Come on.
Oh, the music stopped.
Are you not tired now?
I'm tired for you too.
Yeah, you're wearing us out.
It's still on, you know.
Oh dear.
That was a bit rubbish.
Try and do it again.
That was better.
Keep away from the TV,
Ish.
please. Because you don't want to go in there, because Agnello will kill everyone within 100 miles.
He lives for his television.
And we will all be dead.
Oh, no.
Say bye to the camera.
Well, my 6'5".
Turn it